Hello and hello. Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's meditation is going to be on faith, increasing our faith. Again, we are working out of the Edgar Casey's A Search for God material. These are the lessons that are in those books. As always, we will begin with a prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. Those of you who know me know there is no other way. Then we will go into a guided meditation, and then we will sit in silence. I will read the affirmation and we will sit in silence. And the affirmation will be, create in me a pure heart, O God. Open thou my heart to the faith thou hast implanted in all that seek thy face. Help thy mind unbelief in my God, in my neighbor, in myself. This old English is a little tough. I will not laugh. I'm going to repeat it one more time because I want to make sure it's clear. And when I say it in meditation, it doesn't sound bad. Create in me a pure heart, O God. Open thou my heart to the faith thou hast implanted in all that seek thy faith. Help thy mind unbelief in my God, in my neighbor, in myself. Okay, so basically, you're asking for faith, faith in humanity, faith in God, and faith in yourself. So that is what today's meditation is. As always, after the silent period, we'll hear the chimes, so you know I'm going to speak. We're going to pull ourselves back in. We're going to stitch the energy up, which means rolling in your mind, rolling the energy towards you from the bottom of your feet, up the front of you to the top of your head, from then down to your heels. You go back to your heels, up your back, over your head to your third eye. I don't think I had enough sleep last night, which is why I'm stumbling like wacko today. Thursdays are always a little tougher because of the Wednesday night show. That Wednesday night show goes way past my bedtime. We close with the 23rd Psalm, and that's it. All right, I killed 2 minutes of your time, so let's just jump right in and get started. Take a deep breath and just invite yourself to relax and let go. Take another deep breath, and while exhaling, scan your body and notice, is there any tightness, any discomfort anywhere? And should you find any, bring your attention to that spot and invite it to let go and release. Notice that the body responds to the mind. The mind is the builder. The mind creates. Let's take another deep breath and just relax into our place. Knowing we are safe, we begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us bring our attention now to the top of our head and our third eye. Our third eye is between our eyebrows on our forehead. Notice the sensations there. That is where the energy flows into our body from the divine. Let us follow that flow as it moves through our body and out our feet. And as it enters into our head, let us follow it and feel it healing, relaxing, and letting go of any blocks, any conversations, any noise. As it flows into our neck, it releases our will as we surrender, feeling this divine energy flowing into our chest, down our arms, out our hands, and into our trunk. We feel a slight vibration as all our cells are stimulated and made whole and healthy, following it into the seat, into our legs, and out our feet. We are renewed and aware of this beautiful energy always present for us. Now let's bring our attention back to our head, right to the crown, which is at the very top of our head. And let us pull our energy up and just above ourselves. Arise, my spirit, and meet thy Maker. In this perfectly quiet, peaceful, safe place, we state the affirmation, create in me a pure heart, O God. Open thou my heart to the faith thou hast implanted in all that seek thy face. Help thou my unbelief in my God, in my neighbor, and in myself. And at this place, we notice a basket in front of us, and we just gather up any leftover unbelief, any leftover lack of faith, blocks that are there, wrap them up neatly and stick them in a basket, and allow the basket to just float away. Bringing ourselves back into our body, we say thank you, and with gratitude and appreciation in our heart, we send up love and joy for this moment. In your mind's eye, reach down and start rolling the energy towards you and up the front of your body, re-zipping yourself up, and reach down behind you and roll the energy up from your heels, up your back, over your head into your third eye. As we bring our full attention fully into our body, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that meditation was as moving for you as it was for me. Feel free to throw me some comments if you have this on Facebook or YouTube. I don't know how it works on the iTunes and stuff, so I don't know if you can send me a message, but if it's helpful, visit me at www.intuition.com for more information. Have a blessed day. Bye now.